In this video, I will introduce Python and then walk through the steps necessary to find out whether we have Python installed on our systems yet or not. Python is a popular programming language released in 1991. It is particularly of use for us with this scripting project because it will work on any system: macOS, Windows, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It has a simple syntax, it's easy to read. The language is interpretive, which means that we can write a script and then execute that script without the need to compile. Before we do anything else, we now need to find out if we have Python installed, and if so, which version. On macOS, I will fire up terminal. And here in my terminal window, I will enter the command Python space -- version. This indicates that the latest version of Python 2 that I have installed is 2.7. The latest release of Python is currently Python 3, and all of the scripts that we will be exploring throughout this course are written for Python 3. In order to find out if we have Python 3 installed and which version of Python 3, we need to enter the command Python 3 space -- version. And this indicates that I have Python 3.8.2 installed. This command is the same whether you are running on Windows or macOS. If you are using Windows, you have the choice to use command prompt or PowerShell. If you choose to use PowerShell, the commands that you enter will be the same as I enter on macOS. If you choose to use command prompt, the commands that you need to enter are slightly different, but these will be detailed in the notes. If it turns out that you don't have Python 3 installed, please now install Python 3. Head over to python.org/downloads. And from here, you will be able to download the latest version of Python appropriate for your system. Windows users, when installing Python, ensure that you check this checkbox. Add Python 3.82 path. That will make your lives a lot easier. A quick note to say that Python is free. There is no need to pay to download and install Python. So if you find yourself going to the Windows Store or any place that says, yes, you can download Python from us and here is the cost, you are in the wrong place. You do not need to pay to download and install Python 3.